In this video, we demonstrate FSL's replace text and image from CSV file. This feature is useful if you have images and text you want to replace in a file. For example, you need to do 100 tumblers with unique names and images. First, we upload a CSV file using the setup page. Here we see the CSV file has 4 lines. We will replace 2 lines of text and an image on each line. The image is a link to the image. We open up the command prompt and type CSV. We can also use a hotkey or foot pedal. We see text 1 is replaced with Alice and text 2 is replaced with is cute, and the image is replaced with Alice. We look at the CSV file, and this is what is on line 1. Next time we execute CSV, it will replace with Bob is nice and Bob's image. Next, we do line 3 by typing CSV again, which auto-increments each line for Charlie is cool. We do it one more time for David is old. Suppose we want to go back to line 2, Bob is nice. We need to decrement the counter back to number 1 since it starts at 0. Now when we type CSV, it will pull line 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, Bob is nice. There you have it. Quick, easy automation through FSL's text and image CSV replace feature.